Hello everyone, and welcome back. Tomorrow is the annual Christmas party, New Year's Day party. That's the day I do it here at the house for the kids. We eat around 12:30, and the kids will start showing up around 10 o'clock tomorrow morning to help make all the hors d'oeuvres. For those of you that watched the video last year, you kind of know what's involved. A lot of food, a lot of chicken wings, just a bunch of different stuff. But tonight I like to get a few of the things ready. I never used to do it this way, but otherwise you got to get up at 4:30 in the morning, which I'll be up anyway, but cutting up onions and frying meat at 4:30 in the morning is not exactly what I want to be doing. So this is calico beans here, so I'm going to get this stuff fried up and all the ingredients put into a slow cooker, and then I'll pop it into the refrigerator, and then tomorrow I can just plug it in early and it'll be easily be done by lunchtime. So like usual this time of year, my little basement kitchenette here, I like to do things down here. I'm not going to use the upstairs kitchen for this. We will use it for doing some of the chicken wings, but everything is a mess down here. I've got all this stuff that I bought for the party. And by tomorrow noon, it'll all be in use. Well, the next thing I want to do tonight, there's only a couple things. One was the calico bean thing, and then I'm also going to make the black-eyed peas and cabbage, and that's something we never used to do, but after I met Melissa, I do that every year now. And I like to put in the smoked, these pork neck bones, or cut the meat off it and put that in there with the cabbage. So I want to get this done, get the cabbage all cooked down, because that takes quite a while, and then tomorrow I can just heat it all up. Put the black-eyed peas in I just use canned ones, I don't soak any beans or nothing, and then that'll be ready to go. With those two out of the way, that saves me a lot of time. I think I'll get this cabbage cut up and get that started in the boiling process, and then I will finish cutting up that meat and add it to it. I have a whole bunch of chicken wings that are already cooked. They're just frozen, but those I can do in, I don't know, 20 some minutes. But these here take 65 because they're not cooked, so I think I'll throw these in tonight. Just heat them up tomorrow. I was gonna cook up the mushrooms. We just, fry up mushrooms in butter. That's one of the things that we do, but I just broke the glass cooktop on my stove when I was doing that cabbage. I had that. I knew I should have done this in the upstairs kitchen, but every time when I film, I like to do everything downstairs here. Nobody bugs me. Anyway, I had that cutting board here, and I took that set of cabbage and I slammed it down to break loose the core, and wasn't even thinking that it wasn't on a countertop, so oh well. I have all the appliances are insured anyway, so they'll just come out and put a new one, but that sucked. Well, the cabbage is all done. It's 16 below outside, so I just took that whole pan and set it outside to cool down before I bag it and put it in the fridge. Chicken wings are done. I already bagged those and put them in the fridge. Had to clean the bathroom, wash the floor in the kitchen. Just been going, not filming at all. This would be a very long video if I did. Meatballs are ready. I'm just going to let this sit out for a couple hours until before bed, and then I'll put it in the fridge so they can kind of thaw out, and tomorrow morning pop it into the slow cooker thing and start it up. Seems worthless to wash this when the glass just moves. Well, I'm done until morning. I will see you guys bright and early. Good morning, everybody. Just a couple minutes after 5 o'clock in the morning. Just getting all these slow cookers plugged in so they can do their thing for the next few hours. Well, I'm going to hop in the shower. I don't know, kids could start showing up in about a half hour here, so time to start cooking again.
Maybe he wants the green pepper.
Brown pepper?
All the mushrooms are done. Now I'm going to cook up the shrimp.
Want another pickle? Okay. Tomatoes? For me? Oh.
Bacon wrapped water chestnuts. Bacon wrapped little smokies with brown sugar on top. I got the cabbage in the warmer. Shrimp is in there. Now I have to heat up the black-eyed peas. These are the little smokies that were had the brown sugar on them. They're all done. We got chicken wings that are coming out of the oven.
Oh, look at those. Yeah, so we got two different kinds. That one's smoked up, this one is rotisserie.
The bacon wrapped water chestnuts are done.
Ooh, I don't. Okay. Ready? There you go. I should put my color,
All right, we have got about 4 minutes left until the last thing comes out of the oven, which is more bacon wrapped something. I don't know, and then it'll be time to eat. Well, that's the last pan right there. Just degreasing it. Put it at an angle and let that grease run out. You can eat.
That's ridiculous. How can he fuck you for...
Have a little good luck.
Yeah. Yeah, basically just guessing. I don't want to be a... Damn it.
Putting out the fireplace in my view.
How much did it cost you to buy these shades? Also, they have actually like They're like a number like that.
What you got there? What is that?
Xander, tell Grandpa, what is that?
Is that a cookie?
Yeah.
Wow.
On. What's it? This is it. Oh no. Oh no. Grandpa. Yeah, go give it to Grandpa. Okay, let's
Should I
see.
just let him do it, or should I do
You
it?
could do something.
So much work. Thank you.
Dad. Here we go.
Oh, yep, that's Mama's though.
Mama.
Yep. Thank you. Thank you.
Over here, right here. Good job.
Give this one to Auntie Sammy.
Give it to Auntie Sam.
Don't take off that.
Thank you.
Sam.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, guys, watch out. It's melted.
Oh. Yes, we done these.
Oh wow,
It's like
that's
daylight.
cool, isn't it?
This is what I need when I'm stressed out.
Well, the party's all over. Thanks a lot for watching, everybody. I'll see you guys on the next video.